Bullish Ethereum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $9,353.46 and $17,667.65 by 2030. Market experts accept ETH could reach $7,274.91 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,662.84. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer many monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary delegates like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are in like manner conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any solid computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more reassuring sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging movement, upholds this. Thusly, assuming that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the primary opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectation. Ethereum is right now worth $2,078.09 USD. ETH has moved 0.43% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,145,568,073. Ethereum is right now positioned 2 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $250,793,673,897 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $3,117.13. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2,909.32 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,493.70. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Ethereum ETH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $5,195.22. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4,156.17 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,571.79. Ethereum value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7,273.30 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6,649.88 and a low of $6,234.26 in 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. Assuming that Ethereum effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $9,351.39, with a base cost of $8,312.35 and a typical cost of $8,727.96. Ethereum value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $10,806.05 by 2027, with a base cost of $10,390.43 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $11,429.48. Ethereum value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $12,884.14. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $13,507.56. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $12,468.52. Ethereum value forecast 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $14,546.61 and a yearly cost close above $15,585.65 in 2029. Ethereum value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $16,624.69 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $17,663.74, averaging out at $17,040.31. Ethereum value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ETH cost in 2031 is projected to